you want a natural glowing skin? If you wanna, then there is a very important video for you, because in this video I will discuss about natural thing which you can apply on your face and get natural skin, natural glowing skin and natural shining skin. So this is a video maximum 7 to 8 minutes, but this 7 to 8 minutes will change your life and change your personality. Okay, listen it carefully. I will discuss about deeply. So let's start the video. Best ingredients to use for natural skin care. As we age, our skin loses its elasticity, hence it starts to sag, with lines and wrinkles showing up around the face, such as on the forehead, around the eyes and the mouth too. Dark spots as well as dull looking skin care also bound to appear, which can add more to your years. Fighting signs of aging doesn't always mean that you will have to rely on cosmetics or other skincare products to make those lines and wrinkles disappear. As a matter of fact, is it all begins with using the right ingredients for your skincare. Fortunately, taking care of your skin naturally is possible. It all boils down to knowing what natural ingredients to use to help retain the firmness and smoothness of your skin even as you age. Here are few options that you might want to try out. Okay, coffee oil. This is one anti-aging ingredient that you should try out, as it is packed with vitamin E, essential fatty acid, as well as sterols that provide your body with antioxidants that can prevent degeneration of your cells while protecting your skin from UV damage as well. It can also reduce under eye puffiness as well. Epsom salt. Another way to receive Another way to revive your skin is by taking a bath using Epsom salt. This is particularly useful if you are feeling anxious, stressed, or you just want to calm your nervous system down. Soaking in an Epsom salt bath can improve hydration while reducing redness as well as roughness too. Vitamin E. If you want to boost your skin's hydration as well as suppleness while soothing any inflammation and irritation that is dealing with, then you will need to get your hands on vitamin E. This vitamin has been found to reduce dryness and ensuring that the moisture levels remain intact. By applying this regularly, you will be able to reduce fine lines as well as wrinkles too. Since vitamin E is a known antioxidant, you can expect it to fight off the effects of free radicals. Apple cider vinegar. This particular vinegar has been used as a home remedy for centuries, since it has been found to treat various ailments from acne breakouts to digestive problems. You will need to dilute apple cider vinegar in water first before applying on your skin as a toner. Another way to use this vinegar is to add it to your bath water, as it helps soften and even nourish your skin. Vitamin C. We all know that vitamin C is a good for our immune system, but did you know that it is also plays a role in anti-aging? Adding foods that are high in vitamin C helps brighten your skin, make it firmer, and enhance hydration, just to name a few. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C can stop the effects of free radicals, thus keeping your skin looking great. Fortunately, there is no shortage of vitamin C sources, such as citrus fruits. Shea butter is also another ingredient that you can add to your natural skincare routine. Since it is known for moisturizing the skin, it also comes with anti-inflammatory as well as anti-aging properties. You can use it as is or add a few drops of your choice essential oils before applying on your skin. There is nothing wrong with wanting to retain the natural beauty of your skin. But if your current skin or products are not helping you so much, it is high time that you switch to natural ingredients like the ones mentioned above. I hope you learned something from this video, so like the HB here. Okay?